Fish on! Welcome to another fishing video. Today's plan is to fish for some flatfish, and if that doesn't work out, I'm gonna try to fish for some herring and fill up my bait bucket. Let's see how it goes. Let's go! The weather looks way better here than at home. I'm actually gonna start at the beginning of the pier. When I was here with my daughter, she caught a really nice flatfish. If you haven't seen that video, you should really check it out. Oh, that's thunder. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a shower. But some rain won't hurt us. And now we just wait and hope for some bites. No bites yet, guys. Time to switch location. I think I'm having bites, guys. I'm hiding in the rain near the wall as best as I can, but let's see if that was a bite or not. Need to check it. Oh no, it was grass. Guys, hope it's shown again. There it is. It's a tortoise, I think it's called in English. That is so cool. It's really cool to watch, but it's not good for fishing. Because when they're around, usually it's really hard to catch fish. Finally, started to get some activity. Small bites or nibbles. By the looks of it, it's probably tiny sei. They took my bait. Okay. I know they probably are pretty small, but I still want to catch them. Oh, the rain is coming back again. The magic bait line. I really recommend this stuff, guys, to keep the bait in place for a longer period of time, so they don't steal it too fast. It's a strong bite, so got him. Finally. Oh, it's in Swedish, oximpa. In English, I don't know what it's called. They actually look really cool. Let's see. I think you should be able to grab them by the mouth like so, and I don't want him to suffer. They got like blue. Yeah, they're mounted blue on the inside. That's really cool. There we go. I mean, he's bleeding a bit, but hopefully he'll survive. He actually swam down, so that's a good sign. Fish on! This felt a little bit more heavy than the previous one. Oh, we gotta say, it's actually a decent, I mean, I wouldn't say a decent size, but normally they are much smaller than this. But I'm not targeting sei. Still fun! Guys, a storm is coming! I don't think I can fish anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button and I'll catch you on the next one!